Hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gaby here, reporting from my very own living room, and that's because today we are doing some simple yet effective stretches for the neck and shoulders to help release tension and relax. You can do this from your couch, like me, or on your bed, on your desk, all right? If you're feeling that tension at work, being hunched over the computer all day, anything like that, these are gonna be wonderful. So let's get into it. All right, so we will be doing 3 sets. The first one where I explain what we're doing a little bit, talk you through any coaching cues or proper form, very important. And then set number 2 and 3, I zip it and we just go through the stretches, through the routine without talking, enjoying the music, because you will know what to do. All right, so starting with our first one, we're gonna be doing neck flexions, all right? So we're gonna be doing side to side, one side, and then the other, and then down. All right, so those are the 3 neck flexions we're gonna be doing, and you're gonna do that continuously for 30 seconds. So side, side, and then down. Taking your time, all right? This isn't about how fast, it's about going slow, working through the motions, and benefiting from the stretch, all right? So 30 seconds on the clock, and we can begin. So nice upright position, posture, shoulders are pushed down, and then one side. Hold here for a few seconds, and then come down to the other one. Very good. And then up and down. Awesome. So doing that continuously, and remembering your posture, right? If you're hunched over or just kind of relaxed, then your spine is curved, and that affects your neck. So you really wanna have a nice upright posture, pushing your shoulders away. It's gonna help stretch your neck more, all right? And 3, 2, 1, very, very good. Next, we're doing shoulder raises, all right? So as it sounds, you're gonna raise your shoulder as much as you can, as much as you possibly can, and then pushing down. And pushing down here is where you're going to feel the stretch. Like right now, I'm pushing down as much as I can. I feel a nice stretch right here. So exaggerating these movements, up, 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 hold, and then down, push, 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 push. Oh, it feels so good. All right, so continuously for 30 seconds. Big breath, remembering that posture, and let's go. So up, 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 and down. Very good. You can hold here a little bit longer if you like this more. If you're ready to go back and recharge for the next one, then you can do so. And this is also strengthening your shoulders and your neck, which is gonna help avoid and prevent pain. Very good. Awesome job. Last one, up, 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 and down. Nice push, hold, and release, relax. Very good. Next, we're gonna be doing some shoulder rolls. Okay, so we're gonna do back, all right, for 15 seconds, and then we're gonna do forward for 15 seconds, all right? And again, exaggerating those movements. So up, back, down, and then forward again, okay? So really work through those motions. Big breath, and let's go. So up, back, and again. Awesome job. You can go slow here, really, really slow, or speed it up a little bit if you feel like that's warming up your shoulders and that feels good. Very good. Really exaggerating. We're only through the first set and I already am warming up and sweating a little bit, like really, really exaggerating your movements and move with intention, all right? Very good. Big breath. And 3, 2, 1. We definitely did 30 seconds. That was my bad, so we're just gonna do 30 seconds. It felt so good, I just kept going and forgot 15. So now 30 forward, all right? Let's forget that 15, let's do 30, we got this. Very good, exaggerated. Breathing, close your eyes a little bit, focus on your body. Awesome job. 10 more seconds. If it helps you to put your arms out to the side, to do shoulder rolls or a little bit out here, you can do that as well. I find it easier when my hands are in place. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out. Shake it out. Last, we're gonna be doing a cross arm stretch. All right, so I want one hand out to the side. It's gonna come across your body. All right, and then you're gonna bend at the elbow. You come as across your body as you can. And then you do bend to your elbow and your hand reaches backwards. All right, so like this, you're gonna grab your other hand right above your elbow, all right, on your arm, and then pull close to you. So it looks like this. Oh, very good. Really feel it in the shoulders. You're really gonna enjoy this. So we're gonna do 30 seconds one side and then the other. Big breath, and let's go. Extend first, always extend first. All right, come across, straight arm. All right, and then it starts to bend, and then you can grab and pull and enjoy. Very good. Can you go side to side a little bit? Very good. Breathing. So important to breathe, deliver oxygen to your muscles when you're working out, especially stretching. And 3, 2, 1, and go ahead, release. Awesome job. And other side, extend, coming across, and there we go. Again, you can shut your eyes a little bit, enjoy, breathe. And 3, 2, 1, release. Stretch it out, stretch it up. Very good, shake it out. And there we have it. Those were our amazing stretches. All right, we're gonna put it together. We're gonna take a second, breathe, grab some water, maybe just sit there, take a second, and then we're gonna do it again, all together. Alrighty, my beautiful people, we have our neck flexions, side down. Then we have our shoulder raises, our shoulder rolls back, then forward. And then we're ending it with a cross arm stretch each side. Alrighty, big breath, starting with our neck flexions, 30 seconds. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out. Now shoulder raises, 30 seconds. And 3, 2, 1. Very good, very good. Shake it out. Next, our shoulder rolls backwards first. Big breath. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Go ahead. Forward. 30 seconds. one. Very good. Shake it out. Bring your hands out a little bit, arms out. Big breath and cross arm stretch. Inside, let's go. And 3, 2, 1, other side. And 3, 2, 1, out, arms up. Come down, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And there we have it, great job. Really feeling loose, big breath. Take a second, grab water, and then we're doing set number 3. Alrighty, my beautiful people, time for set number 3. I mean, I already feel so nice and loose after those 2 sets. This is really just gonna, boom, do the job, cherry on top. So, 3rd set, starting with our neck flexions, and begin. And 3, 2, 1, very good, shake it out. Now shoulder raises, 30 seconds. And 3, 2, 1, very good, very good. Shake it out. Next, our shoulder rolls backwards first. Big breath. And 3, 2, 1, very good. Go ahead, forward, 30 seconds. And 3, 2, 1, very good. Shake it out. Bring your hands out a little bit, arms out. Big breath and cross arm stretch. Inside, let's go. 2, 1, other side. And 3, 2, 1, out, arms up. Alrighty, my beautiful people, that was it. 3 sets of our neck and shoulder stretches for tension relief and relaxing. I hope you liked it. Let us know in the comments below what you thought, what you would like to see more of, and then don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, because that lets you know when we post so you don't miss out on any of our recipes or workouts, all right? I hope to see you there.